theorem is multiplication theorem on mathematical expectations. So the statement here is, if x and y are two independent random variables, then expectation of xy is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. So we have already discussed addition theorem, where if x and y are any two variables, we are not going, there is no restriction like they are dependent or independent. For any two variables, e of x plus y is equal to e of x plus e of y. This is the addition theorem statement, where for any two random variables x comma y. So coming to this multiplication theorem, here the two variables should be independent. If at all they are independent only, the statement is valid. So to prove this, let us write all the definitions. Let x be a random variable with PDF fx. Let y be another variable with PDF f of y. So here we are considering separately. If you consider x comma y as a bivariate random variable, as we have two random variables, we write the f of xy as the joint PDF. We have described x is a variable with its PDF f of x, y is another variable with PDF f of y. If you consider the bivariate variable x comma y, you will have a PDF which is called the joint PDF. F of xy is the joint PDF. So we are, if x comma y are independent, if at all x comma y are independent, f of x comma y is equal to f of x into f of y. Okay, whenever x comma y are independent, f of xy joint PDF, this is the condition, or this is the definition for independence of variable. Whenever the two variables are independent, f of xy is equal to f of x into f of y. So we already know the definitions for expectation. E of x is equal to integral x f of x. E of y is equal to integral y f of y. E of xy is equal to, as we have two variables, you will get two integrals, f of x comma y dx dy. So what you need to prove here? You need to prove the statement for multiplication theorem on mathematical expectations is, expectation of x comma y is equal to expectation of x comma y whenever x and y are independent variables. When they are independent, you need to prove this. So for that, let us consider the LHS. Expectation of xy will be, as we have two variables, integral xy f of x comma y dx dy. So we know that the way of getting, we write f of xy as the joint PDF. J stands for joint probability density function. F of x is nothing but simply the PDF of x. F of y is the PDF of y. So we know the relation between joint PDFs and individual PDFs, as I said you that from joint PDF we can get the PDF of x. From joint PDF we can also get the PDF of y. The way of getting are nothing but to get the PDF of x, you should eliminate y. Eliminating means you should integrate. Whenever we integrate the joint PDF with respect to y, means you are eliminating y, then you will get f of x. Similarly, whenever we are integrating the joint PDF with respect to x, means we are eliminating x, then you will get the individual PDF of y. You know these conditions like f of xy is the joint PDF, f of x is the PDF of x, f of y is the PDF of y. To get the PDF of x from joint PDF, you should integrate with respect to y. To get the PDF of y, you should integrate the same with x. So we know these two conditions. So let us go back to this. So we have expectation of xy is equal to double integral x of xy. This is the one by definition. Now I want to write this as integral. I want to separate x so when we integrate this with respect to x, okay, when so we have this. So f of what is f of xy? F of xy is equal to f of x into f of y when x comma y are independent. Am I right? Whenever they are independent, we can write the joint PDF as the product of marginal. So we can write xy into f of x into f of y dx dy. Now I want to write that as x f of x dx into integral y f of y dy. I think we know this is nothing but expectation of x into expectation of y. So we got expectation of xy is equal to expectation of x into y. What is the condition there? Whenever they are independent only, this statement is valid. Okay, so expectation of xy is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y when x comma y are independent.